You have to file UCC-1s on them to prove this. Once you do these things, this is what you can do. Once you become a secure party, those are the things you can do. Now let's talk about what you cannot do. You cannot purchase anything with this process. You cannot use this process to escape any kind of evil wrongdoing that you may have done. You cannot come to us expecting us to help you run from any kind of evil situation that you may have done. You cannot use this process to hide. There are certain things, if you want to live off the grid and you decide you don't want to use the straw man or the social security number anymore, you can do that. That's your prerogative. That's what you can do. What you cannot do is use this system to try and rob somebody else or manipulate. What you cannot do is try to say, I'm just going to run up all my credit cards and then use this process to just discharge. You can do it, but you have to do it. You cannot expect us to do it for you. So that's it. That's all you cannot do. There's too many cans versus the limited number of cannots. So for all of those people who think that they want to come to this because they want a benefit, stay over there on the government public side. They got benefits. They got EBT cards. They got free this, free that. Go over there. But if you say to yourself, okay, I want to go on the private side, but I know I have to deal with the public side because they're there and they're not going anywhere, so we have to coexist, you can do that. You can still get public assistance and benefits and stuff while you're trying to move from the public side to the private side. Don't think that everything has to stop. You don't have to quit your job. You have to master your signature. Because going forward, you're going to be signing the right way, making sure that you're not liable on anything anymore. All those contracts that you may have entered into, all those employment applications, you just go backwards and correct them. Hey, can I get a new form because I need to make some corrections? And then sign your name the right way after you do that. Now you're good to go. There's not going to be anybody knocking on your door. There's not going to be any men in black. Anybody going to be listening to your phone calls unless you're out there doing dirt prior to coming to being a secure party. Then you just bringing shit from the public side to the private side. Keep that over there. If you're dishonorable over there, stay over there with your dishonor. Don't bring dishonor to the private side because we're going to know. And we'll cut you off. And if there are other people out there still doing business with you, more power to them. But I feel sorry for them because I know there are people coming to me telling me, Mosiah, there's people out here doing people dirty. You got one lady that filled up an entire auditorium in downtown Brooklyn where I used to go to school down there by Flatbush Avenue in City Tech. She filled up an auditorium in City Tech with everybody talking about secure party creditor, but she charged everybody $15,000 per seat. And she's not giving them a fraction of what it is that we give you in the diamond package. So this is why it's important for you to understand where we are in our positioning. We offer an affordable service, but we won't be taken advantage of. We give you quality, but we won't be taken advantage of. We give you professionalism and we give you respect, but we won't be taken advantage of. We talk about banking. You need to make things happen. We will help you with your business. We'll help you set up a UBI, unincorporated business organization trust, if that's how you want to operate. Once you become a client, you have access to consultations. We don't just open up our consultations for non-clients. That's a no-no. You have to be a client in order to be a consultation. Buy something. I don't care if you just buy a book. Become a client first. Let us know that you're serious, and then we'll go ahead and pursue that and make sure that we can help you in your situation. But we're here for people. We work with people. We're very successful. Our clients are very successful. And this is why we stand out amongst this pack. And like I said, I don't hate on nobody. If there's somebody out there doing what it is or similar to what we're doing, I take my hat off to you because you're waking people up out of the matrix and you're bringing them from the public side to the private side. So my hat's off to you. It's just, some of the people out there that are taking free information and locking it down. How are you going to lock down free information? If you're providing a service for somebody, then that's one thing. You can charge for that because that's a workman being worthy of their hire. But if you're aggregating information and then locking it down and preventing other people from accessing what you copied and pasted, makes no sense. But these are the mentalities, these are the idiosyncrasies. And again, I'm not judging anybody. I just know that if you get free information, that information that you got was free should remain free, even if you just format it differently, like what we do up here, living in the private. All of this is free information. So we're not going to sell this information. We're going to make it readily available so that you can educate yourself. What we will sell are our services, our products and our services, not that information. Again, I appreciate you all. Thank you for coming out. Thank you for your time, your confidence, your business. Thank you for believing in yourself. Thank you for waking up and seeing what's really going on around you. This is Mosiah. Be well. Be blessed.